Polygons are the name of the game for this episode.
Learning can be
fun!
If you like learning in exciting and engaging ways, then Talking Study Guides is for you. I'm Mr. C, and let's get started. Today, we're going to be talking all about different types of polygons. There's many different types of polygons, but first, let's learn what a polygon is. Polygons are 2D shapes, but in order for something to be considered a polygon, it has to be a closed figure and it can't have any curvy lines. Let's start by looking at the word polygon. The word polygon actually has Greek origins. The prefix poly means how many, and gon means number of angles. So polygon is saying a figure with a certain number of angles. Let's look at some different types of polygons. A polygon with 3 sides is called a triangle. Triangles are made up of 3 line segments and have 3 angles. As a matter of fact, the first 3 letters, tri, can make us think of things that have 3. For example, a tripod is a device used to hold a camera that has 3 legs. If someone has triplets, it means that they have 3 babies all at the same time. And of course, if you hit a triple in baseball, it means that you got to third base on your at-bat. A polygon with 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. There are many different types of unique quadrilaterals. A few common ones are squares, rectangles, and rhombuses. They're similar, but different in many ways too. A square has all sides that are equal, and it has 4 right angles. A rectangle has opposite sides that are equal and 4 right angles. A rhombus has 4 equal sides, but it does not have right angles. A 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. One of the most famous buildings in the United States is called the Pentagon. It's the headquarters for the Department of Defense. Pentagons can be found in sports too, like in soccer balls, as well as the home plate in baseball. A 6-sided figure is called a hexagon. Hexagons can be seen in beehives, pencils, and even fish bowls. 7-sided figures are very uncommon to find in real life, but they are either called septagons or heptagons. If you look closely at a stop sign, you'll see that it has 8 sides. An 8-sided figure is called an octagon. An octopus has 8 arms, just like an octagon has 8 sides. They both start with the same 3 letters, OCT. A 9-sided polygon is called a nonagon. You don't find them very common in real life, but you can remember a nonagon because it starts with the letter N, and so does the number 9. A 10-sided figure is called a decagon. Decagons are kind of tricky to find in everyday life, but occasionally you do see them in coins, watches, or jewelry. I hope you learned a little bit about polygons. Let's try 3 questions to see how well you know them. Question 1. Is a circle a polygon? Yes or no? The answer is no, because circles have curvy lines. Question 2. What is a 6-sided figure called? A quadrilateral? A pentagon? A hexagon? If you said a hexagon, you got it! Question 3. How is a square different from a rhombus? Squares are bigger. Squares have 4 right angles. A rhombus has no equal sides. If you said squares have 4 right angles, wonderful job! You got it! Thank you so much for joining us today to learn all about polygons! Before you leave though, my friend Pat and I have a joke for you. What do you call a parrot that just flew away? The answer is polygon. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye. Thanks for watching.